15 Daily Use English Idioms with Urdu Meaning, Beginner Level. Episode 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 15 very common English idioms that are used in daily conversation. I will also explain their Urdu meanings and examples, so you can speak English more naturally. Let's start. Break the ice, meaning pehle baatcheet shuru karna. Break the ice, meaning pehle baatcheet shuru karna. Example: he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Hit the sack, meaning sone jana. Hit the sack, sone jana. Example: I'm tired. I'm gonna hit the sack. Spill the beans, meaning raaz bata dena. Spill the beans, raaz bata dena. Example: don't spill the beans about the surprise. Piece of cake, meaning bahut aasan kam. Piece of cake, bahut aasan kam. Example: the exam was a piece of cake. Under the weather, meaning bimar mahsoos karna. Under the weather, bimar mahsoos karna. Example: I'm feeling under the weather today. Bite the bullet, meaning mushkil bardasht karna. Bite the bullet, mushkil bardasht karna. Example: I had to bite the bullet and start work. The ball is in your court, meaning faisla aapke haath mein hai. The ball is in your court. Faisla aapke haath mein hai. Example: I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. Costs an arm and a leg, meaning bahut mehanga hona. Costs an arm and a leg, bahut mehanga hona. Example: that phone costs an arm and a leg. Burn the midnight oil, meaning raat der tak kaam karna. Burn the midnight oil, raat der tak kaam karna. Example: she burned the midnight oil to finish her work. A blessing in disguise, meaning bazahir bura lekin acha natija. A blessing in disguise. Bazahir bura lekin acha natija. Example: losing the job was a blessing in disguise. Once in a blue moon, meaning bahut kam hona. Once in a blue moon, bahut kam hona. Example: we go out once in a blue moon. In the same boat, meaning ek jaisi mushkil mein hona. In the same boat, ek jaisi mushkil mein hona. Example: we are all in the same boat. Cut corners, meaning shortcut lena. Cut corners, shortcut lena. Example: don't cut corners in your work. Hit the nail on the head, meaning bilkul sahi baat kehna. Hit the nail on the head, bilkul sahi baat kehna. Example: you hit the nail on the head. Go the extra mile, meaning zyada mehnat karna. Go the extra mile, zyada mehnat karna. Example: she always goes the extra mile in her job. That's all for today's lesson. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment next part if you want the next 15 idioms. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.